Okay, folks, this is a screencast about what I call number computational fluency. One of the barriers I have found in my time working with students in college algebra is not algebra, it's arithmetic. In other words, do you know your numbers well? And this is a very important thing in mathematics. The ability to work your numbers, if you would, to know your numbers backwards and forward and not have to think about that, really is something that gets in the way of success in college algebra. It's like having a sinus headache while you're trying to do something else. This short video is about how to work through that if that is the difficulty of yours. And again, you may or may not know that you have that problem, like some people may not know that they have sinus problems. So here we go. Again, I call this curing computational amnesia. So the good news is there is a cure. And the remedy for this is a home treatment that you could do. So the first thing I'd like you to do is go to the section content for the course resources. There's a handout there, and the handout is a worksheet. Now I have printed it out, and it looks like this. Okay, computational worksheet. Let me put that up there. Okay, there you go. Computational worksheet. I also have this as my screencast so you can see it as well. So it's not too hard to get you a copy of it. So that's number one. I'd like you to print that out. Or you could do like I do on a screen, but some people like to have it printed out. All right, so here's the medicine. Here's how you do your home treatment. Day one, you take a few minutes here and you look at the sheet. Notice I have all of the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so I would like you to, yes, I want you to count out loud from 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 96, 98, 99, 100. Okay, you did it out loud, and you may want to look at the sheet while you're doing that, because part of the problem with our number losing our number sense or fluency is we lose number sense. We forget the space between numbers and what it means, so keep that in mind. All right, so you got your sheet. You went 1 through 100. Now what I want you to do is I want you to count by twos. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, all the way up there to 98 and 100. Don't skip any steps. Go from 2 to 100. All right, now we're going to go by threes. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now, you know we keep on going. We're going to hit another 30, so we're going to hit 60, and you know we're going to hit a 90. So I'm going to skip to 90. 90, 93, 96, 99. That's it. There is no another one there from 1 to 100. So 99th is the last what? Multiple of 3. All right, now we're going to do 4. Now the 4s are really skipping every other 2, correct? So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Notice we hit 20, so we're going to hit 40. Again, so you're going to go up by every 20. You're going to get to the 60. You're going to get to the 80. And for sure, you will have 96. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 100. Now, see how that works? You're looking at the sheet. You're looking at the numbers. You know what it means. This is amazing, folks. You could, I guess you could cut off each, 1 through 10, and then put it in a line. That may help you. But this puts it together in a table that may be a good format for you. All right, so we did the 4s, 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now this will mean absolutely nothing to you if you didn't count from 1 to 10, and if you needed to, look at the screen. All right, so we got sixes. I'll start the sixes, which is every other 3, correct? 3, so 6, 12, 18, no, I'm forgetting here, 24, 30. 6 is a multiple of 30, so we're going to have a 60, a 90, we're going to have 96, and that will be the last one. See how this works? The hardest one is the sevens. So grin it and bear it. Okay, got to do what you got to do to get where you want to get to. So here you go. Number 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Now think about it. 35. So I bet we're going to hit 70. 42, 49, 56. 63, and why I'm excited, 70. Okay, so we got to the 70. 77, 84, 91, 98. There you go. That's as far as we could do. All right, 8 is every other 4. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. That's it. All right, nines. Nines are easy. You got to love the nines. I had to show you another video on the nines. But anyway, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, blah. Okay, so there you go. Let's see. There's a way for me to show you how to do that with your hand. See if I could do that. Y'all be patient. Okay, so you're holding your hands up there. How about 4 times 9? I'm putting my finger down here. So 4 times 9 is 36. Look at my fingers here. 3 and 6. 36. How about 5 times 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 9. Okay, I got 4, 5, 45. I thought that you may find that exciting. All right, so, and then the 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so that is the procedure. And so I want you to go through that procedure. So, I'm not a doctor, but I do have pure human determination, and I do profess I know what I'm doing in this particular area. So I'm a professor of this cure. And what I want you to do is I want you to go through this procedure. If it applies to you, do it 1 time per day. 1 time per day on your piece of paper. Do it for a week. And then do it once a month, or once a week, and then once a month. Now, I can testify to this procedure. For those folks who tried it and needed it, it was a big help for them. Keep that in mind. It does work. Why does it work? I could speculate. You don't have time. Basically, we have lost number sense in our culture, and we could regain it with the right treatment. It works. This is kind of like when you have a sinus infection and you let a little time go by, and all of a sudden, one moment, your sinuses open up, and you go, wow, I could breathe good. I could think good. I'm so excited. This is something that could have that experience for you, but it be lasting for the rest of your life, because you're going to live in a world of numbers, that is for sure. You could count on that. Sorry about that. I mean, I got your number on that joke. All right, so that is my video on number sense. Hope it helps you, and best wishes.